shoulder self-massage. Usually I'm teaching you about nutrition that goes inside of your body, and today I'm going to teach you about nutrition for the outside of your body. I'm Bev Wium Plant-Based Doc. I'm a nutritionist and the author of this very pretty book called Organicflexitarian. Sneak up on yourself in 365 days. And I'm also what is known as a Dorn Breuss Massage Practitioner. There's one of my certificates for the practitioner course. And let me just read to you a little bit about what Dorn is. The Dorn Method is a holistic manual therapy and simple self-help method for the gentle and safe correction of misalignments in the spine, the pelvis, and other joints. The Breuss massage is a wonderful, gentle, intervertebral disc massage that complements a Dorn treatment. So I've done Dorn Breuss massage treatments for about 3 years now. And once I saw how it mobilizes the body, I realized that I could massage my own shoulders using the same principles. So you will need to get off your couch to do this, dust off the chips off your shirt, and you can either do it through a t-shirt or onto naked skin. You will see that today I have removed my daytime pajamas and put on a beautiful dress. I can just hear my granny Woody was up in heaven saying, "My gosh, Beverly, that is a pretty frock." Anyway, okay, so we're going to place a hand on the shoulder, and you can just swing your arm. And you're gently putting pressure with your hand, and you will feel that the movement of your arm massages into your hand. So you're not rubbing with your hand, you're just holding it there. You can press it a little bit harder or softer. You can go right to the back into the shoulder blades, depending how far you can get to. You can get someone else to do that for you. And you're just busy massaging as you move. You can go up and down and all around. You can do the front of the shoulders, the top of the arm, even your collarbones, wherever reaches with your movements. If you're doing it here and nothing's moving against your hand, don't bother with that. Bother only where it's moving. Of course, you do the other side, round and up and down. It's a really nice thing. You do this every day. You can put both hands on your shoulders and just gently massage like that together, and it's a really nice massage. Just got to have another tip, is just to warn or suggest, please don't eat too many heated fats over this time. I know a lot of people are doing snacking and junk food eating and pastries. Rather go and buy yourself some healthy things, and this is a time when you can really take the time to make healthy food. My potato and butternut wedge recipe is on YouTube on my channel, and it teaches you how to add oil after you've cooked the potatoes. So always add oil afterwards and don't add it before. And I think that's all for now, so I'm going to say bye, hamburgerle, salagarle, auf Wiedersehen, tschüss, bye, tot ziens, namaste. Enjoy the rest of your quarantine or lockdown. It's day 18 in South Africa. Goodbye.